Yes, I did my makeup. If you don't know how I did it, stay right here. Hi everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Sandrine, and today I'm gonna be teaching you how to do makeup with minimal products, very easy and very simple steps. I just did my skincare routine and oily skin girl, and so if you are oily skin girl or whatever kind of skin that you have, it is okay, but I'm gonna be specifically talking about oily skin girls. Let's start. I'm gonna go ahead and start and show you what you have to do step by step on how to achieve a certain makeup look without any complications. Let's go. To start your makeup, you should always do primer. Primer is very important, especially if you have a very oily skin. So for the primer, I specifically went for L'Oréal Paris, which I love so much because this brand does a lot of products which are like matte finish. So me, I have to lock in moisture. I do not need to moisturize my face. No oil at all. I don't want to moisturize my face because I'm gonna put product and obviously it's gonna look cringe. So we do not want that. This primer says that it stays 24 hours. But, well, it's not 24 hours as they say, but honestly, it's like you can stay all the night. So I always do my makeup whenever I go to work, and I stay at work like 9 hours, and I come back home with a fresh looking look when I use this one. So it is really nice. This is a must-have. After adding my primer, the next thing I do is doing my eyebrows. This is my eyebrows. I always prefer to do my eyebrows, so let's do it. And I'm gonna teach you how to do your eyebrows in this video as well. So I got this cute little eyebrow gel. It is from Shein. It really costs like $2 if you are, I don't know, out of Dubai, but if you're in Dubai, it's less than 5 dirham. So I always start with eyebrow gel and I go on and brush. This helps my eyebrows to last longer whenever I shade it. And I'm gonna show you how to do the eyebrow perfect way that you do not have to worry, oh, I'm gonna touch it accidentally and it's gonna come off. That's not gonna happen. Just a moment, I need my mirror. I'm gonna be using this mirror just to make sure I do it the right way. The next thing I do is using my eyeshadow palette. Just make sure you have a shade of your skin tone. So I preferably like to go for the black tone, dark tone, or this right here is like dark brown. So I like to go for the dark tone because it gives a great like pigment, let's say like that, so it stay longer. Okay, that's a side part, but it's always visible all the time. So I am brown, so I don't really like to use the dark brown. I always like to go for the dark shade. So let's go. You just need a small brush, dumping in the dark shade. We're gonna go ahead and draw my eyebrows. I always start in the corner just to make sure I end up doing a perfect shade. I mean, I have very lace eyebrows. One of the reasons as well I go for this dark shade. So you're gonna go on, fill in the shape you like. Do you like a big size? Do you like small size? It's very easy with brush, trust me. Back then I used to use a lot of the pencil, but it is not my thing anymore because I knew pencil would take me longer, sometimes it's going a long way, but with brush, you can easily control it. You see how perfect it is? Like, you don't really need even to add a concealer after this. Look how perfect it is. And you can see that it shows really look like a bit of natural or lamination, whatever you call it. We're gonna go ahead and do the next eye. You have to make sure you go so slow. Very important to shade straight away, to add the eyeshadow straight away once you just apply the gel, because you can see here it kind of dry out a little bit, but anyway, it's okay, we still got it right. And just like this, in less than 2 minutes you have your eyebrows done. To make it more fine, we're gonna add a bit of concealer. For the concealer shade, again, I have L'Oréal Paris. I really recommend this brand. Trust me, when I say L'Oréal Paris, I mean it. This brand, the products are chef's kiss. And this is the concealer. It is in shade Honey 338 Miel. So it is kind of lighter, but I think it's perfect for my skin. You're gonna take just a little bit. This is also matte. It's perfect for oily skin. So this is it. I already took a bit of it, so I'm gonna just go down just a little bit to define our eyebrows. Trust me, this is my best moment. Oh my god, okay. Should probably stop talking. And this is what it looks like. We're gonna go on the other side. Other part, but done. I'm gonna blush a little bit just to make that natural strokes. This is the eyebrows, how they look like. What do you think? Again, I'm a big fan of NYX. NYX product also, chef's kiss. They have products for all the skin types, and this is also matte. This is a foundation which is like full coverage. I normally like put this on itself and I can just go without adding any other product, but we're doing full makeup look, so we have to add it and pair with other products. And let's see. So this is shade Deep Walnut, and yeah, this is Deep Walnut. So let's try it on. I'm gonna be using this brush. Bit of it. It's so strong. This much we are doing. It dries off very fast. Good thing with this, I also use it as a contour, which is in the exactly same perfect shade for contour. I'm going to use this L'Oréal Paris, which I recommend you should also use. Do not like aim to the other corner. 1, 2, 3. One by one, because it's matte, so if I put it more at the first time, if I put all on the first time and I need to wait to blend another side. So do you see how perfect it's turning? Like, wait for the desserts. This is a local brand called Chado Cosmetics. This is a pink shade, and add on my cheekbone, very little bit on the nose. I think this is one of the cheapest setting powder you can ever find in this world. Let's try that and see. And before, after, perfect shade. So we do. This is my most oily part of my face. This is to the setting spray part. This is also NYX. I also like to go with the matte setting spray. So let's put it on and see. Mascara from Chado Cosmetics, which is also UAE local brand. I love how pigment it is. Oh, come on. Going with this is my favorite mascara so far. It's from UAE local brand. This is another tip. If you struggle to do the eyeliner like me, this is a good way to do it. Take a small brush in the shadow color that you like. Still, I'm going for black, and I'm gonna go ahead and try to do the edges as well. Go inside. I'm gonna cry. I do have sensitive eyes, that's why I like to go with brush, but still it's it's too much. Other side, little bit of powder. What do you say? For the lips, we have two types lip liners. I do have the chestnut, MAC chestnut, which is the violet one, which is my favorite, and I know people are using it. It's most the trend one. But I also have this very cheap lip liner, which I love most. And this is the one I'm going to use, except that this is how my lips looks like, but I'm gonna go outside of the lips just to give it that final and fresh touch, and you will see the difference. So this is before, and let's go outside of the lips and see how it looks like. What do we think? We're gonna go ahead and add on my lip gloss, which I'm using the lip liner. Just like this. Third favorite product that I have in my makeup, so this lip fat oil. To just in the middle, you have to apply the product or in the middle. So like, what is this? See how good it is? We are done. Look how good it is. And just like this, we are done. Do you see the lips? Do you see how good it looks? Like how? Like, you tell me how. It was just the lip liner, very cheapest lip liner I've ever had in my life, and the NYX lip oil. Just two. Look. Chef's kiss. As you can see, it's giving. Now let's take selfies.
Kid, I'm impressed, what's your sign? You got the shine. They look in my body, no names,
And we're done with our makeup look today, and I hope you like it, and I do hope you learned something, and I will see you on the next video. Mwah.